Hello friends, today we'll be talking about OnePlus 6T. Recently they had released their phone called OnePlus 6. Now next month they will be releasing OnePlus 6T. So today we'll be discussing about what will be the new features which they will be adding in OnePlus 6T. One of the most popular features they will be adding in OnePlus 60 will be the in-display fingerprint sensor, so that on screen only you will be having a fingerprint system, fingerprint sensors. Okay, this is the first mobile company which will be implementing the on-display fingerprint readers, so which will be working on optical image sensor and AI processors to read the fingerprints, so that in-screen fingerprint have become the faster and more convenient than the traditional fingerprint sensors. So, and also they are planning to give some uh, water drop notch and triple camera system on the back. So these are the some of the new features which OnePlus 60 will be adding in next month. So let us go through the website. So on this they are saying OnePlus 60 will be coming with 6.4-inch of display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels, and they are saying like it will be running on Android 9 Pie operating system. So and Android sorry OnePlus 60 will be powered by Octa core 2.8 gigahertz with 385 processor paired with a 6 GB of RAM. So and most probably they will be coming with two variants, one with 6 GB and one with 8 GB, and battery will be 35,000 mAh. So and this will be the first mobile companies to implement fingerprint on display. So it will be using optical image sensors and AI processors to read the fingerprints, and it will be also having the notch, water drop notch and triple camera system on that. So yeah, and some kind of sensors, and they will be removing 3.5 jack, but this is not sure till now. They may or may not remove the 3.5 jack. Okay, so yeah, and this will be having this OnePlus 60 will be having three cameras, 20 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and TOF 3D, 25 megapixel front facing camera. So this will be the awesome features, three cameras in the phone. So and then two variants as I told, 6 GB and 8 GB RAM, and also storage will be of 64 GB, 128 GB, 256 GB. So and same thing, Android 9 Pie OS with with some of the custom UI they will be providing. So custom UI such as Oxygen OS operating system, Google Android 9 Pie, custom UI Oxygen OS, which is the most popular operating system for OnePlus. So display 6.4, storage 64, 128 GB, 256, camera 20 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 2OF 3D. Battery will be 35,000 mAh, okay for 1.5 day, and RAM will be 6 GB and 8 GB. So launch date in India, most probably they'll be launching it on the 10th October. Quick charging, yes, it is having the quick charging. And OnePlus 60 features like chipset will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, graphics card will be Adreno 630, processor octa core, architecture will be 64-bit, and fingerprint sensors will be on screen. And these are some of the other sensors: light sensors, accelerometer, compass, scope, and all those things which are there in the most of the uh, phones. So yeah, so this OnePlus 60 most popular feature will be in display fingerprint. This will be one of the best features which they will be releasing. Second is water drop, so water resistant it will be. And third it will be having triple camera system. So these are the top three features which OnePlus 60 will be. So first, in display fingerprint sensors, second water drop notch, and third is the triple camera system. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.